Tanirika from 9th IGCSE. I've chosen the topic skills or passion to speak on. Today, I'll be showing how to tune the Western violin. Violin is one of my hobbies. So without further ado, let us begin and start tuning those strings. There are two ways to tune the violin. It is by using pegs and the fine tuners. The easiest way to start tuning is by using a digital tuner like so. This is a Musedo tuner. However, there are other options like using a tuner app on your device which is compatible for Western violin. You use a clip-on tuner like this by first pressing the button and turning it on. If it has any modes, make sure it's in the violin mode like so. If you are using a tuner app, make sure that the microphone is on so that it can hear your violin strings and guide you accordingly. Let's get started. We start by clipping this onto the scroll of the violin. And make sure it's at a good secure place. Let's review the string names, which are G, D, A, E. I repeat, G, the thickest and to the left, D and A in the middle, and E, the thinnest string and to the very right. So we always start with the A string while tuning. So let's do that. This one is perfect. So let's move on to the D. That has no sound. And for D we use this peg. So push it in and twist it up to make the pitch higher, or twist it down to make the pitch lower. In this case we need it higher, so I twist it up. Needs more. Till it's at D. It's at a low D right now, but we need it in the middle, where it flashes green when it's correct. Push it in. That's perfect. In case we need just small adjustments, such as this, we use the fine tuners below. To make it higher, we screw it clockwise. To make it lower, we screw it anti-clockwise. In this case, we need it a little higher, so we screw it clockwise like so. A little more. And then it flashes green when it's correct. It is possible for a tuned string to go low or high, which means getting out of tune. So after you tune all the strings, it's a good choice to check them twice or thrice so that you can make sure and confirm that they're in the right note. Enjoyable and gave you some knowledge on tuning the Western violin. Thank you for watching and stay home, stay safe.